So welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Our Eduardo Hagen will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal still dey in contact with Moussa Diaby camp. Say they won't sign Moussa Diaby. This guy don't tell we don't dey interested in him. So I will be surprised say we are still interested in his camp and still interested in him. See they in contact. They follow them the reasons. So, okay, this na nigga we like to sign him. How much? All those kinds of things. And say this guy no go pass 50-70 million pounds. Now, if we sign this guy, remember saying now for bench, this guy will be second string, you get. But the guy did very, very good because when they use that deputize for people like maybe Bukayo Saka or people like Martinelli. However, Ateta won't use them. People will change formation and never really know. Yes. But one thing I like Ateta for say this Moussa Diaby, the way Saka they play for Arsenal, Saka they carry Arsenal for his shoulder. Now so Moussa Diaby they carry Bayern Leverkusen for his shoulder. You get. So if the guy comes in, hits the ground running, who says he cannot enter the first 11? At the same time, we are also going for Wilfred Zaha. You get many sources don't they publish that story to say Arsenal are interested in him. What you make Zaha contract they very, very juicy, and the fact he's going to be coming as a free transfer agent. You get. So it will be very, very easy to just snap him up and just give him a salary. And the icing on the cake is the fact that he's an Arsenal fan, so it will be very, very easy to convince and to come join our project. And for the fact that we did for Champions League, so it would be very, very easy to unlock his potential the more. You get. So we'll just watch. For me, I know so we need another winger to give Saka some kind of much needed breathing space. As well, we'll just see how everything will turn out. Alright, away from that, so Nelson Bournemouth's goal gets winning wiped from outside. They win the match. They don't nominate that goal as the goal of the month of March. You get. You don't win. Don't say nominate it. You don't already win him. You get. They don't vote for him. You win. So we are very, very happy with Nelson. See that in goal. 9 win for the goal of the month of March. You get. So we wish him more goal scoring returns for Arsenal. Even the guys have come and say I call the talk say almost say this season I still go out on loan, come back. So now I don't understand how it feels to be a part of the Arsenal DNA, like they involved in what's in Arsenal they do this season, which means if they win the league, we would have played a pivotal role, a vital role in Arsenal going up and winning the league again. So that's my prayer at the end of the day. I just pray it happens. Alright, another news on the year for Newcastle camp. Now the fact says Saint-Maximin is out of action for 4 to 6 weeks. This guy is suffering from a hamstring injury and the thing will keep him for a very, very long time. So therefore, he will miss the match where Arsenal will play against Newcastle in early May. You get. And whenever I play against Newcastle, this guy always terrorizes. He's one of the people I don't want to play against. So as I call here say in the day, my mind don't even read, but for us and James Park, even Joe Willock self, the guy like GK. So we'll just see how everything will be. So I just have to say one of the thorns in our flesh no go dey available get. So we get our own players. My prayer be say on that day I want to watch good football. Maybe Newcastle self come outside. Maybe they come play drab football. Where they come play for Emirates. Maybe they come outside come play. Or we self will come outside. We'll let them know. But meanwhile, before we reach that side, we will face the one way they our front, the West Ham. We get. We'll see how that one will go. We'll make sure so we collect maximum 3 points. Alright, even Rodri of Manchester City will be their defensive midfielder. Don't come outside call the talk say Man City will fight until the end. So forget say Arsenal did 6 points, they gap them and them get one outstanding match. You get. So and we'll still meet again for the Etihad. So they believe say if they win all their matches, they don't win the league, so they're going to fight to the end. But nobody then they fight. Now we some will fight to the end. Those who go relegation back to 7 no one go, they will fight to the end. So everybody is fighting there. At the end of the day, we will know whether there will be any victor or whether there will be no vanquish. We'll just watch us do it. Our Ekrem Corner, don't come outside and let us know say Liverpool, PSG, Man U, Newcastle, Arsenal, all these clubs, they are all monitoring Michael Olise. In the past, I've been talking to say Arsenal, the reason the guy, but now nobody Arsenal in the race to sign this Crystal Palace prodigy. You get. Many people they interested in signing this 21-year-old because of what he does on the field of play. You get. So I'm not going to be surprised if the guy go another club, maybe Arsenal no sign him. I will not be surprised because he looks at me come Arsenal where he won't play. You get. He's likely going to stay on the bench because Arsenal already have a creative spark. After Odegaard, they have another creative spark in Fabio Vieira that is still acclimatizing and blending like a blender at Arsenal. So Olise, now somebody who don't get used to the league, plays for Crystal Palace and he does a lot of creative things there. And they play free kick, now free kick master. The guy left score free kick, and the guy got one strange celebration when they happy, we just score a boom face and like which I don't know. So at the end of the summer, we'll know whether we're going to go for this guy. Alright, even Gabriel Bonlahon will be one of the talk sports pundits. Don't come and second they talk about Bukayo Saka and Beckham. So you got to say for England all-time best first 11. Say he will pick Bukayo Saka over David Beckham any day, anytime, because Saka tick some boxes where David Beckham no fit tick. For example, are you talking about goal scored? Are you talking about assists? Are you talking about take-ons? Are you talking about versatility? Like, no matter what you want to talk, what you want to call, anything, everything, say Saka pass Beckham 1 million times. So for that reason, he go come out Saka, he go come out Beckham rather, and he go put Saka any day, anytime. This one my own opinion, so I don't know what to myself think, because some people say, almost a Beckham self scatter things that year, but it is what it is. Alright, so away from that, so Kevin Campbell don't come as I call the talk, say he would like to see Jude Bellingham play under Arteta, because the way the guy they play, the guy is very, very young, and the guy don't identify, say any club where you want to go must be in the Champions League. And for the fact, say Arsenal don't already get that Champions League ticket, so Arsenal should be a very tantalizing destination for him. Now, as of yesterday when I checked, Real Madrid has made this guy like Jude Bellingham their transfer priority, like their target. Get Man City also have him as their number one target, so we never really know where the guy go, but the guy is going to cause a bidding war. According to Kevin Campbell, sure this guy will get in peak of the litter. There will be like maybe 3-4 top European clubs to get ready for Champions League. Then he will come choose, say okay, now here I won't go, or maybe now here I won't go, or maybe now here I won't go. Now he will choose at the end of the day, because the guy gets so much potential for his career. I get the way when they play for Dortmund, a defensive midfielder who is very, very mobile, he did very, very energetic, they give assists, they score goals. What more can you ask for? So I never really know where this guy will end up, but saying he will join Arsenal, I don't see that happening. But who knows, you never can tell. But for me personally, I don't see that happening, because some kind of people will throw some money inside this thing now. We know we'll get the money to fight them. Alright, one of our senior man waiting for our community, Oga Abdul Adenuga, just call me, say CHUKS, send me your ass and let me bless you for what you've been doing for the community. So Baba just send me 10k, say we just usually push the ministry forward, and just like to support young guys who they do something great and bringing people together. So Baba will say wherever I get money to bless us, may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name, and it shall like get my boss. Alright, away from that, so you get one footage, or should I say a picture, you get what I see with the trend around social media of Oxlade-Chamberlain when he refused to celebrate when Liverpool score Arsenal the 2-2 equalizer. Everybody they jump up and the guy up boom face just they went there to show say he won't make Arsenal win the title, and they feel say Liverpool they dent Arsenal title challenge and Arsenal title hopes. So he was not happy, he couldn't celebrate again. So he just should say he still get Arsenal for mine. When he said they play for Arsenal, he no help us win title. So we hope say at least make another people say help us win the title. Should say he still get Arsenal. An Arsenal fan is still be despite saying they play for Liverpool. So it is what it is. Myself, I know they happy on that day saying Liverpool scores, but what we go do now? We can't cry over spilt milk. Let's go again. Alright, we'll do some kind of loan watch. So we're going to check out Otto Okonkwo waiting for Crew Alexandria. So we'll keep 10 clean sheets after 26 games. Then the second half of the season, Arsenal can send them go another club. They can send them go Sturm Graz for Austria. We'll help them reach the Austrian Cup final where they play against RB Salzburg, and they won through penalties. Get any catch 2 penalties. So that one a great thumbs up. The guy they play very, very well. Then we'll turn our attention to Marquinhos. Get Marquinhos, they play for Norwich. We send them out on loan to Norwich, and it's helping them fight back and get promotion to the EPL. So we never know how it will be. So I wish him all the best of luck. You get. So at the end of the season, if let's say they will play playoff, and where they will qualify automatically, I don't really know, but he's a regular in the Norwich side and he's playing very, very well, fantastically well. And nobody himself did for the loan, even Cedric Suarez. This one don't even get game time for this Fulham Selango. I don't just understand why. He come up for Arsenal for lack of game time. He can't go Fulham, you never see game time. The first ever start when he will start, now just this weekend we just pass, so they play against Brighton when they lose. Now that first start when they ever start, so they don't really use them well, so they lose. So I don't know. At the end of the summer, I expect Arsenal to sell him. Even the Okonkwo said Arsenal will still sell him to get. I never really know. So we'll just watch as everything goes. The only person who get positive thing for this loan now maybe Bellingham, because he don't score plenty goals. So he's going for limelight. That's why they mention his name all the time because of the goals that he has scored. So many people say they on loan, or even trust with the Bellingham, now centre back, left side centre back, who buy from Colorado Rapids. He's doing well also. So many other guys did there, but this one had notable names. So I just say make I just mention because they do well. Alright, so away from that, so sports mode, when they let us know, say Vlahovic is ready to dump Juventus and join Arsenal. Not just Arsenal, even Real Madrid itself, they look for him, say they would like to sign him, but they're also looking for a centre forward who is young. Vlahovic is 22 years old, and everybody know what's happening about Juve now gets with their wahala. So that's why they really say, okay, we don't want you anymore, we want to sign a younger player. Even Juve said they look for an alternative because they get financial woes. Arsenal, on the other hand, they won't go for Vlahovic before you join them. Nah, you can't wind the same like I join them. Whether Arsenal can sign up and never really know, we just watch us, everything will go. But one important takeaway, we say sports mode. Let us know say Vlahovic is considering leaving Juventus. Juventus also are willing to let him leave, and are two suitors as of now. That's the reason the guy matter. Arsenal and Real Madrid, they are interested. Whether the interest will come turn to positive things, at the end of the day, they will sign a deal and never really know. More just the watchers, everything will go. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what else you should check the top left corner of the screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and so that you guys all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.